God appears in front of you, Almighty appears in front of you and asks, what do you wish for? Do you have any answer? Probably most of us won't have an answer. We will might randomly say we want money, health, or our loved ones, happiness. But do we have a specific answer? Probably no. So it is important that you write down what you exactly wish for. There are a lot of researches based on this. Specifically, if you write something with a red pen, it will get manifested. I'm not saying that it will immediately happen. You have to, of course, take action. You can't be sitting and thinking, okay, that I've written and everything will happen automatically. You have to take action. That is what life is. Even people, if we talk about Lord Rama, he has also taken actions. He have overcome all the challenges and then become he achieved victory. So same is in our life. We are humans, we are mortals, so you have to take action, and then we have to specifically write what you wish. For example, if you want to have a luxury car, write it down on a piece of paper or in your diary that by end of 2025 or by 2026 I will be having a luxury car. Be specific in details. Black car, it should be a BMW, and which series you want. And specifically, if you are really looking for, then go and even take a test drive. There is no charges for the test drive, and then gradually you will be able to understand, okay, this car is like this and what specifics you want. So it's very crucial that you write whatever you want to achieve, whatever you wish for, you dream of. So specifically for me, I have been writing a lot of goals in my life, and when I achieve victory, big or small, I really feel good. I take it off. I even do small celebrations, ordering myself donuts or going out with my loved ones, a random dinner. So this is really helpful, and I'm sure that if you write it down, you will also be clear that what exactly you want and what exactly is that you don't want, and that is probably cluttering your life. So that would be the time that you probably want to declutter, or you want to not really work towards or make an effort towards something that you don't want to achieve. So do ensure that you write what you want to wish for, and I wish you an amazing day. Do as I share do share in the comment below that what exactly have you written or you want to achieve. And until next time, I will see you. Have a great and awesome day. Happy amazing May month. Lots of love.